Alright, hey guys, how have you been today? So, this is the 30th of October 2025. I've not been able to post in a while. I've been very busy with some other project of mine. So, this has been my first trade in a while now. So, let's get into it. This is gold, and this is over, I think, 765 pips profit. Let's get into how I sorted out this trade and took my entry. Alright, so first things first, we hopped over to the 1 week time frame since we were looking at it from a fresh week. And bro, gold has been doing massive numbers, man. You can see we have been on a pretty decent long trend for a while. So I saw this kind of correction right here. And on this correction, I was hoping okay, the market was going to correct a little bit and go back up from this fair value gap. But since I was looking at it from a fresh week perspective, and it was on a Tuesday I took this trade. So I was looking for a continuation to at least sweep out this previous low of the previous day. So that's basically what I was looking for. I was looking for sales from that area. Since I had that value, I hopped down to the daily time frame to see it on a bigger picture, which you can see right here. So this is what happened. Yesterday, you can see we hopped over to this top right here. Let me take this out from this top right here. So I was looking for the market to move down all the way from there to target in to take profit around this region. All right, so from there we went over to the 4 hours time frame, and the 4 hours time frame I was just looking for those market structure moves, those zones, those key levels I can take my trade off. And you can notice the zones I marked right here. We had this explosive movement from here, a correction. We broke structure again from here, came up to this part right here. Then right here we shifted character to the downside around here, and we had another brick right here. So from this pattern you can see it's like what we call the head shoulder head pattern. So from here it's pretty simple as to what I was looking for. So I was basically looking for the market to kind of take me up to this point right here, and then I want to see a down movement to this zone. So that's what I was looking for from the market as of yesterday. So I was patiently waiting and the market got to this area. And you know me, I don't just take trades without looking for a sweep of liquidity. So I was waiting for that confirmation of a sweep of liquidity, and boom, we had that sweep right here. We had a sweep of liquidity right here, as you can see. We swept off this liquidity around here, and we got tagged into this order block or supply zone, whichever one you want to call it, right here. And from here, we can't just also um, enter the markets from here. I was looking for a shift of market structure again to the downside on the 15 minutes time frame. Let me take this out. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see right here we had shifts of market structure happening right around here. Boom, market shifted structure, and this was my entry all the way to the downside. So let me take it back to the angle so you can see it. Okay, and from there you can see my entry, and initially my stop loss was at this 4 hours level because I did not want to take that risk because FOMC was coming on. So I was like, okay, if we have another sweep, at least I can still have this stop loss to fall back on. But after we had a break, another break on the 15 minutes time frame here, we had a second break of structure, which now confirmed it to me. So this was the second break after this initial market structure shift right here. We had another break of structure right here. So when we broke this second structure to the downside, I shifted my stop loss to this level right here. And that was the play. And you can see the profits were made here. It was massive. So right here we had over 780 pips. Initially, I'm not even gonna lie, initially I was looking to target this area on the daily time frame. I was looking to target this end zone right here. That's where my initial target was. But as I studied the market, I was looking at the probability of us reaching here, it wasn't that high. So I just opted out to take my profits around this place. So I took my final profit at this level right here. Boom. And as you can see, easy money. And of course, I'm going to show you the trade. I posted it on the Discord channel. So I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys.